Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Your Honda Prologue is already a great EV, but a few smart accessories can make it even more convenient and comfortable. In this video, we're going through 25 awesome accessories that help with storage, protection, and daily organization. Simple add-ons that make every drive better. From organizers and protective gear to small upgrades that make driving easier, these picks will help you get more out of your EV. And the best part? Everything is available on Amazon. So if something looks helpful, you can find the links right in the description. Let's jump into the video and get started. Very first on the list is floor mats for Honda Prologue EV. Protecting your cabin is easier with these floor mats made for the Honda Prologue EV. They are shaped to match the footwells and keep dirt and moisture from settling into the original carpet. The raised edges help contain spills, while the textured surface improves grip for your feet. Whether you are commuting or heading out on a weekend trip, these liners make cleanup simple and keep your interior looking fresh. They hold their shape in heat or cold and are easy to remove for rinsing. A dependable upgrade that supports everyday comfort and interior care. Next on the list is cargo mat for Honda Prologue EV. If you use your cargo area often, this mat for the Honda Prologue EV gives you reliable protection. It covers the full floor surface to help guard against scratches, mud, and unexpected spills. The material grips your gear so it stays more secure while driving. When you need to clean it, it lifts out easily and can be washed off without hassle. It helps keep your rear space looking organized and prevents long-term wear. Simple, effective, and built for drivers who want their cargo area ready for anything. Coming up next, we have retractable trunk cover for Honda Prologue EV. Add privacy and security to your cargo space with this retractable trunk cover for the Honda Prologue EV. It pulls across smoothly to conceal your items from outside view and retracts when you need full access. The housing fits neatly along the sides, so it does not interfere with storage. It helps reduce sunlight exposure on stored items and keeps your trunk area looking clean. Whether carrying groceries, valuables, or travel bags, this cover adds convenience and peace of mind. A practical addition that blends neatly into the interior layout. Next accessory in our list is dash organizer tray box for Honda Prologue EV. This dash organizer tray box gives your Honda Prologue EV extra space for small essentials. It fits into the dash area to hold keys, cards, sunglasses, or cables where you can reach them quickly. The textured base reduces rattling while driving, and the raised edges keep items from sliding out. It is simple to install and helps reduce clutter in your central console. Drivers who like a tidy cabin will appreciate how it creates dedicated space without altering the interior design. A small upgrade with big day-to-day usefulness. Next on the list is roof rack crossbars for Honda Prologue EV. For road trips or weekend adventures, these roof rack crossbars expand what your Honda Prologue EV can carry. They give you space for bikes, roof boxes, kayaks, or larger cargo that would not fit inside. The bars mount securely to the factory points and provide a strong base without adding unnecessary weight. They stay stable at highway speeds and remove when not needed. If you want to unlock extra hauling ability while keeping your interior open, these crossbars are a solid choice for active drivers. Next accessory in our list is center console organizer for Honda Prologue EV. This simple upgrade helps divide the large console space into neat sections, so your essentials stay easy to reach instead of sliding around during daily drives. Items like sunglasses, cards, charging cables, and small tools finally get a fixed spot, making the cabin feel much more organized. It fits into the factory console without tools, and the textured material reduces rattling while keeping everything stable. If you want your Prologue EV interior to feel cleaner and more structured, this organizer is a practical addition that immediately improves everyday convenience. The next must-have on our list is the center console armrest cover for the Honda Prologue EV. This accessory adds a layer of comfort and protection to the armrest, keeping it safe from scratches, wear, and everyday spills. The The soft material gives a nicer resting point on long drives, while the snug fit prevents shifting or bunching as you lift or close the console. It maintains a clean cabin look and helps preserve your interior for the long run. If you want your armrest to stay in great shape while adding a bit more comfort, this cover is a simple and effective upgrade. Coming in next, we have the rear bumper protector for the Honda Prologue EV. This accessory shields your bumper from scuffs and marks that often happen when loading groceries, luggage, or sports gear. The durable material absorbs impact and prevents scratches on the painted surface, keeping your rear bumper looking new for years. Installation is easy, with adhesive backing that holds firmly while still looking factory clean. If you want affordable protection that makes a noticeable difference over time, this bumper guard is a smart addition to your Prologue EV. Next accessory in our list is the center console cup holder inserts for the Honda Prologue EV. These inserts help catch dust, crumbs, spills, and condensation before they settle into your original cup holders. The soft washable material makes cleaning simple because you can remove them, rinse them, and place them back in a few seconds. They help reduce noise from small items rolling around and give your interior a more polished look. If you want cleaner cup holders without constant wiping, these inserts are a small upgrade that delivers big convenience. The next must-have on our list is the lower console organizer tray for the Honda Prologue EV. This tray sits in the deeper section of your console and adds an additional storage layer, helping you keep daily items separated and easy to reach. It is shaped to match the interior contours, so it fits securely without taking up needed space. Things like wallets, keys, parking cards, and small accessories stay neatly arranged instead of collecting at the bottom. A simple lift-out design makes cleaning effortless. If you want to maximize the usable space inside your console, this tray is a helpful addition to your setup. Next on the list is key fob cover for Honda Prologue EV. Protect your key from scratches and everyday bumps with this key fob cover made for the Honda Prologue EV. It wraps around your remote with a snug, flexible fit that keeps everything secure while still letting you press the buttons smoothly. The lightweight material adds grip, so it is less likely to slip out of your hand or pocket. It also helps keep dust and minor impacts from wearing down the original surface over time. This is a simple accessory that gives your key a cleaner look and longer life, especially if you carry it around all day. Next item on the list is dashboard cover mat for Honda Prologue EV. Give your interior extra protection with this dashboard cover mat designed for the Honda Prologue EV. It lays across the dash to block harsh sunlight and help prevent cracking, fading, and heat buildup. The custom fit sits neatly around vents and sensors, keeping everything functional while adding a cleaner appearance. It also reduces glare on the windshield, making your drive more comfortable on bright days. The soft, textured surface stays in place without shifting and adds a protective layer that preserves your dash for the long run. Next accessory in our list is door sill protector for Honda Prologue EV. Keep your entry areas looking sharp with this door sill protector created for the Honda Prologue EV. It shields the sills from scuffs, dirt, and shoe marks that build up over time. Each piece fits along the sill line and adds a bit of grip when stepping inside. The adhesive backing helps it stay firmly in place without tools. It is a great way to maintain the clean look of your interior and avoid wear on areas that see the most contact. Practical, subtle, and helpful for keeping your vehicle looking newer. Coming in next, we have trailer hitch for Honda Prologue EV. Expand your vehicle capability with this trailer hitch, featuring a 2-inch receiver built for the Honda Prologue EV. It gives you the strength and stability needed to attach bike racks, cargo carriers, or light towing accessories. The solid construction mounts securely to the frame to provide dependable support on trips, weekend adventures, or daily hauling needs. Once installed, it blends neatly under the rear bumper while staying ready for whatever equipment you want to bring along. Next accessory in our list is window shades for Honda Prologue EV. Improve comfort and privacy with these window shades customized for the Honda Prologue EV. They block sunlight, reduce heat, and help keep the interior cooler on warm days. The frames fit right into the window area and stay put without creating gaps. Passengers get a softer light inside the cabin, and the shades help protect your seats and dash from UV exposure. They are also great for long drives or when parked for extended periods. Easy to remove and store, they offer year-round convenience and protection. Next on the list is Center Console Organizer Divider for Honda Prologue EV. This center console organizer divider for the Honda Prologue EV helps you keep your daily items in order by creating clear sections inside the console. Instead of everything sliding into one open space, the divider gives each item its own spot so it stays easy to reach. It works well for wallets, cables, keys, and small tools that often get lost. The material is sturdy enough to hold its shape and installs in just a few seconds without tools. It helps the interior feel more structured and reduces clutter, making your driving experience smoother and more organized every day. Next accessory in our list is leather seat cover for Honda Prologue EV. These leather seat covers for the Honda Prologue EV bring comfort and upgraded styling while protecting your factory seats from everyday wear. They wrap over the original upholstery with a snug fit, giving the cabin a more polished look without changing the seat shape. The soft material feels supportive during long drives, and the stitching adds a refined touch. They are easy to clean with a quick wipe, which helps maintain a fresh interior even if you have pets or kids. A solid choice if you want durability, comfort, and a more premium cabin feel. Next must-have on the list is screen protector for Honda Prologue EV. This tempered glass screen protector for the Honda Prologue EV keeps your infotainment display clear and safe from scratches, fingerprints, and accidental bumps. It is shaped to fit the screen edges and goes on smoothly without affecting touch sensitivity. The glass surface reduces glare and keeps the display looking newer over time. It is especially useful if you frequently tap through apps or use navigation on the go. A quick, simple install gives your interior an added layer of protection that you will appreciate every time you use the screen. Coming in next, we have Rain Guards window visor for Honda Prologue EV. These rain guards for the Honda Prologue EV make driving with fresh air easier, even in wet weather. They let you crack your windows slightly without letting rain drip inside, and they help reduce wind noise while you are cruising. The visors follow the window line closely for a clean, built-in look. Installation sticks to the frame securely and does not interfere with window movement. They also help block strong sunlight and reduce fog buildup. A useful everyday upgrade that adds comfort and ventilation throughout the year. The next add-on in our list is seat gap filler for Honda Prologue EV. This seat gap filler for the Honda Prologue EV stops phones, coins, and small items from falling between your seats while you drive. It fits right along the side of the seat and blends with the interior so it stays out of the way. The material compresses slightly to create a snug fit without shifting around. It helps you avoid distractions and keeps the cabin much tidier. Ideal for anyone tired of losing items in hard-to-reach spaces, it adds convenience to every trip with almost no effort. Next add-on in our list is trunk organizer for Honda Prologue EV. A trunk organizer for the Honda Prologue EV is a simple way to turn your cargo space into something far more manageable. It creates individual sections that keep groceries, cleaning supplies, tools, and loose items from rolling around while you drive. The sturdy sides help everything stay upright, and the non-slip base keeps the organizer from shifting. It folds flat when not needed, so it never takes up space you want to keep open. Next accessory in our list is front and rear dash cam for Honda Prologue EV. A front and rear dash cam set for the Honda Prologue EV gives you added peace of mind every time you hit the road. It records both angles at once, capturing the full picture of what happens around your vehicle, whether you are driving or parked. Clear video quality makes it easier to review details if anything unexpected occurs. Most setups power on automatically, so there is nothing to remember or adjust. It is a smart upgrade for anyone who wants extra visibility, simple documentation, and reliable protection during daily driving. Coming in next, we have car cover for Honda Prologue EV. A car cover for the Honda Prologue EV helps keep your vehicle cleaner and better protected day after day. It shields the paint from dust, bird droppings, rain, and harsh sunlight, which can all wear down the finish over time. The soft inner layer protects the surface, while the outer layer blocks the elements. It fits snugly so it stays in place even in windy weather. Whether your Prologue sits in a garage or outside, a fitted cover keeps it looking fresh and reduces the amount of cleaning you need to do. The next must-have on our list is multi-purpose car table for Honda Prologue EV. A multi-purpose car table for the Honda Prologue EV brings a new level of convenience to long drives and parked breaks. It unfolds into a stable mini workspace where you can place a laptop, meal, or reading material. Passengers can adjust the height and angle for comfort, and when the trip is done, the table folds back into a compact shape. It is a useful accessory for road trips, remote work, or families who need a spot for snacks and activities. Simple, lightweight, and practical, it adds functionality without cluttering your cabin. Last on the list is Car Backseat Organizer for Honda Prologue EV. A car backseat organizer is an easy way to keep the rear cabin neat and passenger-friendly. It hangs behind the front seats and provides pockets for tablets, bottles, toys, wipes, and travel essentials. The structure keeps everything within reach, while preventing clutter from spreading across the seats or floor. It works well for daily commutes, long trips, and families who want a cleaner and more organized interior. With quick installation and easy cleaning, it helps maintain order and comfort without taking up extra space. These were 25 amazing accessories you can add to your Honda Prologue EV. We hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. For more content like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.